This is how to assemble the GCG12. Start with the first set of bolts. These 4 bolts are going to attach the frame to the polytub. Push them through, put on the washers, and tighten the nuts. You're going to use the next 4 bolts to attach the rear axle to the polytub. Hand tighten the bolts at first, so it's easier to attach the struts. After that, we are going to attach the front axle. First, slide on the plastic plate, then the front axle followed by the washer and the nut. Be sure not to over-tighten the nut, as the front axle needs to pivot from side to side. Now you're ready for the tires. Slide each tire on, followed by the washer and linchpin. Now we're going to install the quick-release dump latch. Slide the 4 bolts through the front of the polytub, followed by the washer, and tighten down the quick-release dump latch. Next, we're going to mount the handle to the front axle. Slide the bolt through, followed by the washer, and tighten the nut. Again, make sure you don't over-tighten the nut, as you want the handle to pivot.